What's up, guys? Today I've come up with a really interesting tutorial, and it's about custom mouse. Yeah, something like custom mouse, whatever you call it. Um, so you see this image, and this image is my mouse. It follows wherever my mouse cursor goes. So instead of the mouse, that image, you can use another image you must have seen in games. And when I hit this box, it prints it. This is just to show that yeah, it works well. So mm, this so to do this custom mouse making, uh, there are just three steps involved. First one is you gotta take out the mouse from the screen. You gotta make it invisible. So you shouldn't be showing the mouse in the screen. So once you have done that, the second thing will be you'll have to assign an image to your mouse. Yeah, to your mouse, like how should your mouse look, that image. And the third thing will be you'll have to make that image follow the mouse. It's pretty simple. So I think let's get started. I'll create a new scene, and I will create a new game object. I'll create it empty. I'll position it to, okay, I'll just leave it like that. I'll rename this to custom mouse. I create a new JavaScript, and I'll call it as custom mouse. Then yeah, so the first thing we'll be doing is we'll have to take out the mouse. We'll have to get the mouse invisible in the game screen. So I'll have to create another new function called function awake. On function awake, screen dot show cursor is equal to false. So this will just get the mouse invisible when you get into the the game screen. So yeah, when I'm here it's okay, but when I go inside it's gone. When I come up it's there, but when I just go down it's get invisible. So yeah, it's working well. So we are done with the first step. Now the second step is you'll have to get an image for your mouse. So variable texture 2D. I will assign this default particle texture. I had just got this. So you guys can put your own image whichever you like it, and I'll create a new function on GUI. I will add a component called GUI texture so that I can get the image displayed on it. So I'll access the GUI texture class. GUI texture dot texture is equal to texture. So this will be the texture. So let's see, is the texture displayed or not? Well, I see the texture is not displayed. I'm gonna change the transforms to 0 0 0, and you see the image. I can scale, it's too big. Okay, well, just let me center it first of all. So I'll make it 0 0 0, and I'll change x to 0.5 and y to 0.5. So yeah, I see the image in center. I'll scale this to 0.1, 0.1 and 0.1. So yeah, that'll be better. So now we have got the texture middle of the screen. And now, if you guys are doubting that why did I change the transform positions and things, then yeah, just look at it. Even if I go at the end of the screen, it all ends at 1, and y at 1, it just goes to the edges. So when I take the half screen width and half screen height in the x-axis and y-axis, it centers the image. Then we gotta make this image follow the mouse position. So function update transform dot position is equal to vector 3, then it's transform vector 3, and on the x will be input dot get mouse put dot mouse position dot x, and for the y it will be input dot mouse position dot y, and z will be 0. So let's see if it works. I don't see the GUI texture. Well, you can do, yeah, you gotta also divide this by screen dot width and screen dot height. So let's see if it is displayed. I see my mouse image, so you see this, it works well. Let me full screen it. Yeah, you don't see my mouse, and yeah, this things are done. You see your new custom image cursor. So you guys can do so many things by this cursor, like you can make it to be played in games and stuff. It might be really helpful. You can do a lot of things. You can animate the GUI, like if I press a button then another image is displayed or something like that, so things get interesting. You can do a lot of things. I would like to tell you another thing, like I'm gonna be putting up more tutorials, and these days I'm also doing a lot of work on Unity, so if you guys have any tutorial requests, then just let me know. I don't want to make like first person shooters or something like that, because I've seen many people making it, and I think it's enough, people have got the knowledge about first person shooters and stuff. But if you guys would like to make something different, or if you guys need a game series tutorials, if you guys want to make a specific game, then you guys can comment down and just let me know. So thank you guys, see you soon.